The biggest mistakes homeowners make before a renovation, look at this. Number one, they don't really know what the final look is going to look like. They have an idea, but they don't have a final picture. They don't have a budget, they don't have a design, they don't have a render, they have no idea. This bathroom right here, it's a render after the customer select the pictures, how she's gonna use the space. So this looks like a real picture, but actually it's a render. It looks very realistic. So with this, exactly she knows what the space is gonna look like. Number two, they do not build a budget. Budget is something like this: understanding how old is your home, what's gonna be behind the walls. From there, knowing how much that every space is gonna take, how much work it's gonna take, if the house is older, there's gonna be more work. Remember, you gotta upgrade plumbing or upgrade electric. If the house is newer, if you're not changing things around, it's gonna be less. Also, the most very important, not the most, but yeah, I would say the most important, one of the most important thing will be selections. At the end, the bathroom's gonna look like. For example, for this bathroom, here is all the selections: bathtub, the toilet, the sink, the mirrors, the lights. For this other bathroom was older, the selection right here. So you can decide to pick a tile for $20, $30 per square foot, or $10 per square foot. So at the end you decide. So the biggest mistake is homeowners start saying that let's start from the demo and then we'll figure out how we're gonna pass from there. As a homeowner, you need to understand what the dream looks like, how much it's gonna cost to get you there. Not knowing the budget where to go is one of the biggest mistake. And also the second mistake is not building the budget, not understanding how much it's gonna take, and understanding what year was your home was built. Also will give you an idea what this needs to be done behind the walls. So building the budget, getting a final design is one of the biggest mistakes homeowners do or don't do before remodeling. Alright, if you need to learn more, there's tons of videos in our YouTube channel that you can learn more about it. Now if you really need to learn, sit down and kind of pick up my brain, just fill up the form and I'll be happy to walk through. Thank you.